How do you instantly know where furniture should go inside the room? There's actually a simple technique architects and designers use, and it's called the cafe technique. Step number one, imagine you're walking into a cafe for the first time. Without even thinking about it, your brain immediately starts looking for the best seat. Step number two, notice what seat you're naturally attracted to. Most people will choose a seat with its back against a wall, a clear view of the entrance and access to the natural light. Step number three, understand why. Your brain is constantly scanning for comfort, safety, and awareness of your surroundings. It's a biological instinct that's been hardwired into us for thousands of years. Step number four, apply that same logic to your home. When placing a sofa, desk, a dining area, or even a bed, position it where you have a sense of control over the space. Ideally, you can see who enters the room without having your back exposed to main circulation path. And step number five, use this as your starting point before decorating. For more smart property design, follow architect Brendan and Lupa.